Here in the fertile fields, the journey of our ketchup begins with the ripest, reddest tomatoes, kissed by the morning sun.
Every day, thousands of pounds of ripe tomatoes are carefully harvested by hand in these fields, ensuring peak freshness for the production process.
Careful with that stack, it's heavy. Got it. Let's secure this last pallet.
Here at the weighing station, incoming tomatoes are meticulously processed in precise batches, a critical step for quality control.
These fresh, ripe tomatoes are ready for the washing stage, where they will be thoroughly cleaned before moving on to processing.
Our state-of-the-art washing system uses high-pressure water jets to ensure every tomato is perfectly clean before moving to the next stage.
Before processing, the tomatoes undergo rigorous cleaning. High-pressure water jets and vibration separate the unwanted debris and leaves.
Quality assurance is paramount. Here, our team meticulously removes any unripe fruit before processing.
The tomatoes now enter the secondary washing system, where high-pressure jets ensure maximum food safety.
Here, the rotating drum washer gently cleans the tomatoes using high-pressure water jets.
The powerful air-blow drying system removes residual moisture, guaranteeing the highest quality for our vibrant red tomatoes.
The fresh tomatoes are confirmed flowing into the system. The processing stage is now ready to begin.
Here at the crusher outlet, the pulp begins its transformation into our signature ketchup.
The preparation stage is complete and the blending process is now fully underway.
This state-of-the-art strainer guarantees a consistently smooth product, free of seeds or skin.
The journey begins as the finest tomato puree is pumped into our stainless steel cooking kettles. The massive stainless steel blades continuously stir the deep red mixture, ensuring that rich, unmistakable consistency. As you can see, the automated system holds the temperature precisely at 95 Celsius, a critical step in the cooking process.
As the mixture reaches the perfect temperature, the slow churning begins to reveal the rich, dense texture essential for quality ketchup.
Once cooking is complete, the batch moves to the testing stage, analyzed by our expert technicians.
The Bostwick consistometer measures the distance the ketchup flows in a given time, ensuring consistent viscosity across every batch.
Maintaining the precise pH level of 3.8 ensures both safety and the signature taste of our ketchup.
The nozzles dispense the rich, vibrant ketchup with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every bottle is filled to perfection.
This sterilization step is critical. By inverting the bottles, the hot ketchup thermally
Strict standards are maintained at every step. This off-spec batch has been successfully diverted and isolated for quality review.
This completed pallet represents the culmination of the process, securely packed and prepared for shipment worldwide.
The scale of production is evident here. Rows upon rows of freshly processed tomato ketchup, organized with military precision.
We utilize mechanical tensioners to guarantee that every shipment of ketchup is safely secured for transit.
Pack it up slowly, watch the clearance on the left.
Bringing the next pallet over now.